Hi, I'm Shannon. In today's video, we're going to take a closer look at our watercolor starter kit. If you are new to watercolor, this kit is for you. In this kit, you will find a pack of brushes for both fine lines and broad strokes. There are 4 round brushes sized at 2, 4, 6, and 9, as well as 3 flat brushes sized at 3/8 of an inch, a 1/2 inch, and 3/4 of an inch. These synthetic brushes are great for basic painting and for you to figure out your brush preferences. In this kit, you will also find this 12 color compact paint set with a 10 well palette. You've got 6 warm and 6 cool shades for a variety of watercolor techniques and applications. We also love that you can practice your color mixing with this set. There are many paper options for watercolors out there. We highly recommend 100% cotton paper even if you are just getting started. The 6x9 90-pound cotton paper by B Paper is a great option for practice. You get 3 sheets in this kit, and they are also available in a 50 pack at waffleflower.com. As soon as you are ready to advance in your watercolor journey, this Swatch Stamp Set we included as a bonus in this kit will be there to help you learn more about your paints. We hope you can start to enjoy the wonderful world of watercolor. For some cool techniques to try, check out our watercolor playlist linked in the description below. Thank you for joining me today, and I will see you again soon.